Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just picked up something that was really useful for the new 2024 Honda CR-V. I got one of these for my TLX and it comes in really handy, especially for this car. And it has to do with this center little console right here where the wireless charging pad is. It's just a big open area. You put your phone there, but let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up for it. So right here, it's a very simple device that I got, but I think it'll come in really handy. It's right here. It's this little cubby organizer, and it fits perfect in here. I don't even know really how it snaps in, but it does. It just snaps right in there. They give you the little rubber mats with it, and it just makes this center a lot more useful. Instead of just having a spot to put your phone and then stuff rolling around in there, which sometimes will drive you crazy with the noise. It's a very simple but effective part. So let me go ahead and install it and show you. So here it is with the little liners in it. It just goes right under here and you just slide it back and you can feel it snap in. So I don't really know how they designed it, but it works great. It pops in there. And it still allows you to use the wireless charging pad on top of that. But now it puts two little cubbies if you want to store stuff in there. So it's not rolling around. It's like right here, like a garage door opener. You can set right in there. Easy to get to. The little rubberized mat will keep it from sliding. Like when it's down here, it slides all over the place. Like I said, it's very basic part, but it's very handy. I like having things in the car that's useful for day-to-day life. You know, I don't like just big empty spots because it accumulates a lot of stuff and just makes a mess. So this definitely comes in handy. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, it's really inexpensive. And they have two stores. They have one on eBay and they also have one on Amazon. So I'll put both links depending on how you want to buy it. But they do offer it on both platforms. And like I said, it just makes it a lot more user-friendly. Because a lot of these cars nowadays, I notice, just have like the armrest, just a big empty spot. And it's fine for holding just a bunch of stuff, but trying to use it, it can get a little irritating when you're searching for something. You have to dig through a bunch of stuff that you shoved in there. So again, this isn't nothing crazy, but I think it makes it very useful to add a little bit of organization in that center section here for the new CR-V. And a lot of cars, I think the Integra has it too. So definitely check this store out. Again, I'll put the links in the description. I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.